Yo, what's up traders? It's your boy King RDTFX, and today we are analyzing Gbpusd. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, let's start on the daily time frame, guys. Alright, on the daily, the market has been printing higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. Okay, okay, alright. Now it's trying to push up, right? So now we're looking for buys because this right here, this is a demand zone. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, this was our last break of structure, right? To the upside. Our last break of structure to the upside on the daily time frame. Then on the daily, we had this order block right here. Okay, and now price reacted from it. Okay, so we expect price to push higher, right? So let's see how we can buy or where we can buy from. Okay, let's go now to our 4-hour. Okay, this is our 4-hour, right? Let's take this trend line. Let's draw a trend line here. Okay, that's good. This is our trend line looks, right? Yes. So now we had this fake out right here. Okay, this was just trapping. It took out the seller's stop losses, right? It hit the seller's stop losses and the buyer's stop losses. Let me show you how. Those who wanted to sell, they wanted to sell from here, right? They take profit there. Okay, stop loss there, so they would have been taken out. And the buyers, because they saw a breakout, right, and they thought maybe there's a retest, they entered from here. Take profit around there, and their stop loss somewhere around here. They would have been taken out also, as you can see. So now this is what we have. Let me just move this thing here. Okay, we have the last break of structure to the downside into the daily order block, right? On the 4-hour, there's our break of structure. All right, then I see a market structure shift here. Here is our market structure shift. This right here. This is our market structure shift, right? Okay, then we have an order block here, right? We have an order block here, then we have an extreme one down here. We have an extreme one down here. Okay, we have an extreme one down here, which is on a strong demand zone. Look at this. Let's look at this, which is on a strong demand zone. You see, you know why I say it's a strong demand zone? Price tapped in here, went up. Price tapped in here, went up. Price tapped in here, went up. Okay, so this is a strong demand zone, so we can buy from anywhere here. Okay, that's why I say we can. This is our extreme POI. Okay, extreme POI. Okay, now this one just optional, right? Optional POI. Okay, it's up to you if you want to enter this one, right? But if you want to enter from the optional POI, you have to wait for this. Okay, price must do this, then you enter from a lower time frame on your 15 minutes time frame, right? That is what you have to check. Price has to come in to your POI, sweep liquidity, go up, break this high, right? Break this lower high and turn into a market structure shift here, then come back, then you enter from the FVG 15 minutes fair value gap, and you go up. Okay, same thing on the extreme POI. Sorry, on the extreme POI you'll have to wait for the very same thing. Okay, price must come down here, sweep a bit of liquidity, right? Go up, create a market structure shift, then you enter from the fair value gap. All this confirmation you'll get it from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you choose to enter from the optional POI, your stop loss has to be below this red line. All right, and then if you choose to go with the extreme one, it has to be below this red line right here. Okay, right, so your target, let's do this. Okay, because we have that break of structure and this right here, right, this one, this is our swing high. Okay, that's our swing high. That's our swing high. That's our swing high. The swing high is our target. Okay, sorry, the swing high is our target, and this right here is our swing low, obviously. Sorry, this right here is our swing low. Okay, so we're gonna be waiting for this, guys. This is what we're gonna be waiting for. If you enter from here, this is how you're gonna enter, and if you enter from here, this is how it's gonna be like. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be waiting for, guys. Okay, this is what we're gonna be waiting for. So guys, those who didn't subscribe yet, who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos, And yeah, I'll be posting more of these videos, guys. You see, it's easy, guys. Okay, this is just trend line mixed with supply and demand plus SMC, so it's not difficult. All you gotta do is to check how I combine the three, right? You see how we took this trend line direction, okay, and then it went out of the trend line here. So now we drew our demand zone. We have a demand zone. When it comes here, we know we're targeting the supply zone right here, which is our swing high. Okay, all right, now I'm out, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.